Hey everyone, let's hack. If you haven't figured out already, hack stands for highlight and contour, and I'm going to show you how this one palette can do my entire face. I'm going to start with my main highlight color and using one brush and one sponge, I'm going to show you this whole routine. First, I'm dipping into my main highlight color. This is what you can consider your foundation. And I'm going to start placing that all over my face, but I'm going to leave certain places blank because we don't need to do any layers with this product. So as you can see, I'm moving the brush around because these are creams, so they're very movable and blendable. So I will get the coverage just how I like it and then move on to the next step. Next, we're going to go into my brightening highlight shade, which is a couple shades lighter than my main highlight shade. This is what you can consider your concealer. I'm using the same brush, just flipped over to the pointed side. I'm going to place this first in my under eye area and pay attention to how I'm placing it. This helps brighten and lift in this area. I'm going to also apply it to other strategic areas on my face that I want to brighten, which draws attention when people are looking at you to these areas.
You're everything when I see it all I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with.
Next, I'm going into my contour color. Don't be afraid of contouring. I'm going to take the fat end of this 3D brush and kind of pinch it. I'm going to swipe into my contour and we're going to chisel out some cheekbones. So from the top of your ear, you're going to draw a line across to give a shadow to make yourself have cheekbones. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Next, I'm going to take the contour and I'm going to contour my forehead. So this is applying depth and dimension to your face by making it look like you have a shadow. And this is great because your face is round, not flat. So your makeup shouldn't be flat or one colored either. If you can draw a 3, you can contour from your forehead to your cheek and then drag the rest of the contour along your jawline to create a shadow and reduce the appearance of a double chin. Next, I'm going to still take the fluffier end of this brush and I'm just going to buff and blend everything out, being very gentle in the under eye area because the skin is very fragile.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love, been waiting for you, my.
Now that I have my contour all blended out, I'm going to take my damp perfector sponge and just dab it all over my face. The perfector sponge is helping pick up any excess makeup so it doesn't settle into fine lines and wrinkles, and it is also helping blend everything together. Next, I'm going to apply my lip and cheek color. This is Tropicana. I'm still using the same brush with the fluffy side, and I'm just going to place that lip and cheek color right above my contour. We are still working on lifting our cheeks and making our faces look thinner. So I'm going to place that right above, and I'm going to build that to the shade that I want. These are very highly pigmented products, so a little goes a long way. So I start out with a little and just add more as needed to get the color that I'm going for. The great thing about this product is you can use it on your cheeks and your lips. So more bang for your buck. One product, 2 uses. Last but certainly not least is my illuminator. This is rose gold illuminator. I just apply it with my finger. This is what traditional brands call highlighter. This just adds a little shimmer to make your skin look more youthful and hydrated. I apply this to my cheekbones, my brow bone, my cupid's bow, and the tip of my nose. And watch how the light just reflects off of that. It's so gorgeous.
You look so fly in your red Corvette.
This is optional, but I do apply a little bit of our Vanilla Dust setting powder to my under eye area. This is great for ladies who have an oily complexion, or if you prefer a matte finish if you're used to powder. So this is our Vanilla Dust setting powder, and it's great because it fits right in your compact. Some other optional items are the Bella bronzer and some eyeshadow, but I love this palette to keep everything in, and look how I did my entire face with one palette, one brush, and one sponge.